Hi guys, today I want to show you also what I'm using to remove rust. It's the most effective product on the market in Norway and out in Europe. I've used it for many years, and yet I will show you how it works. This is my jackie point from the left side from my Volkswagen, and I will prepare it with ferrobet. It uses almost 30 minutes to be effective, and then we can see how nice metal we have got back again. Okay, I give it a try. I must not do it in the sun, because that's not good. I put the camera this way because I have to prepare it in the shadow. I have also to be very careful. I have to protect your lungs and your eyes also, and your hands, because it's a quite form of acid. Don't use it in the wind while it's blowing. So, oh man, yet it can dry.
Gå inn på P4.no for å melde deg på, og følg med i P4s radiofrokost alle hverdager mellom 6 og 10 på P4.
So guys, the welding process is done. The jack point is welded on 4 places into the inner sill, and it's steady. At the same time, I prepared it with zinc spray to prevent the rust into the parts I welded today. So I'm trying to make this video ready and try to lay it out on YouTube today. And then I say thank you for today. Stay tuned. And so I'm back again. I will always also show you the new outer sill I bought and how it looks like when I try to make the tryout to see how it fits. I hope so. It fits very well. I hope so. Yes, I do. So, this is the new inner sill, outer sill, and I just make a tryout connection and look how it fits. So I thought it will meant to fit, and here it's just on this place. I try to hold it in spot here with some tools and hammers, so it will not go out, and also with no magnets. So now you get a little impression how it will looks when it is already done, when I fit in all the pieces here, fit in the new part of the bay pillar and outside, and also further on the new dog leg. So I'm coming back to show you more later when I'm ready with all those things. I make just a new video for to show it later on. Okay, bye. Oh, well then, yet it can dry. So it's nice and smooth. I have to drill a little larger welding holes because they are small. I need 6 millimeters. So it's nice and smooth. So I will weld on the lower side here. zet ik zo'n points. This is protected for the welding smoke. I am using a mixture of argon gas and the other gas. That's the best way to weld with. Okay. Now will I grind a little here, and so it's ready, and then I can weld it on the rest of the frame in the front. Just cleaning up a little before. Bye.